welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm using up some of my Arteza colors again. Greg will put a picture up of all my Artezas. They're in little tubes like this. This one is Arteza's Golden Hour, one of my favorites to use. But I had a whole bunch mixed up from previous paintings and I just wanted to start using up my little tubs of color. So that's what I've got here, an assortment. I'm just going to be doing a whole bunch of little drizzles through here. Colorful painting. I'm going to put some plastic over top, pull it up, and we'll see what kind of masterpiece we get. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, all your wonderful comments, thumbs up, keep them coming. It really does make my day, you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to get Greg to put some music on. I hope you sit back and enjoy. And again, thanks for joining me, everyone.
I throw my old ways out the door. They'll hit the fan and spin around. They'll swirl and die and hit the floor. Nothing ahead but a sleepless night, and my head won't quit the dream. My flooded thoughts drip down my face, then rise like rivers of steam. Yeah, they rise like rivers of steam. Sleeping hands is memory I once heard or read someplace. Then why can't I forget you when I haven't slept in days? No, 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 I haven't slept. No, I have not slept for days. And my selective memory knows the dark decided to throw my old ways out the door. They'll hit the fan and spin around. They'll swirl and die and hit the floor. They'll swirl and die, they'll swirl and die and hit the floor. They'll swirl and die, they'll swirl and die and hit the
woke up in the middle of the night, opened my eyes, said, my oh my, I'm dreaming you. Well, all my dreams are sweet when I lay me down to sleep, not dreaming you. Don't give me no fuss, don't give me no fight. It's only one thing in the middle of the night I need, that's dreaming you. Well, all my dreams are sweet when I lay me down to sleep, I'm dreaming you. Tell your mama and your daddy too, your brother and your sisters and your best friend too. I'm dreaming you. Well, all my dreams are sweet when I lay me down to sleep, I'm dreaming you. Well, all my dreams are sweet when I lay me down to sleep, not dream of you.
Tie you to this track. Come hell high water, I'll leave you and never look back. Someday
You'll come running,
somehow
rivers calling,
you'll see
I'll be longing.
I'm free. Come hell or high water, I'm gonna make you love me. Come hell or high water, I'll bring your blue skies down. Come hell or high water, I'll kiss you and make no sound. Come hell or high water, I'll catch you before you fall. Come hell or high water, I'll come in like a wrecking ball. Someday,
You'll come running,
somehow,
rivers calling,
you'll see
I'll be longing.
I'm free. Come hell or high water, I'm gonna make you love me. Come hell or high water, maybe I don't know you at all. Maybe I just like how it feels with our backs against the wall. Maybe I'm reckless, maybe I play the fool. Come hell or high water, baby, I think I want you. Someday,
You'll come running,
somehow,
rivers calling.
you'll see
I'll be longing.
I'm free. Come hell or high water, I'm gonna make you love me. Come hell or high water, I'm gonna make you love me. Love me. Love me. You're feeling something you can't explain. You feel the blood is pumping faster in your veins. Don't know what's coming or what to say. Just got that feeling that you gotta get away. Yeah, you had your time, but now I'm gonna get what's mine. There's nowhere left on earth for you to hide. I'm gonna take your crown, write your name out of this town. Oh, it's too late to stop it now. In your bloodline, you'll see the red inside my eyes. They'll be burning till I put you in the ground. I'm gonna hunt you down. Yeah, I'm the nightmare you can't escape. You were the predator, but now you are the prey. That paranoia, it suffocates. It's the fear that's gonna lead you to the grave. Yeah, you had your time, and now I'm gonna get what's mine. Get ready, 'cause it's ending here tonight. I'm gonna take your crown, write your name out of this town. Oh, it's too late to stop it now. In your bloodline, you'll see the red inside my eyes. They'll be burning till I put you in the ground. I'm gonna hunt you down. Yeah, you had your time, but now I'm gonna get what's mine. Get ready. I'm gonna take it